Tonight on Sounds of the 70s, James Taylor, Carole King, Neil Young, Randy Newman, Don McLean, Paul Simon, Janis Ian, and Joan Armatrading.
Swing right out of that tune and jump right into the next one.
I'm gonna sing another new one now. Gee whiz, folks. Is everybody having a good time or what? I know these new songs, you know, maybe that's kind of weird. What? That's what's happening. It's very confusing. I just started playing this, get my thumb caught in it all the time. I just started playing this thing. And you have to carry a different one for every key you play in. You just can't move your hands to another position. So I have to carry a lot of things around in my pockets now. My pockets always used to have holes in them, and I never, you know. Well, that's a line. Forget that one. Here it is. This one's in G, if anybody wants to blow along with me.
What influence do you feel that rock music is as a cultural influence, really, in America today?
Well, I think it's had a profound influence during times of difficult social change in the Vietnamese War and in the civil rights movement, in the struggle concerning environment, and the desire of young people to let their voices be heard more effectively in the political world.
This next song's called Political Science, or Let's Drop the Big One. Makes me nostalgic for the fatherland. No one likes us, I don't know why. We may not be perfect, but heaven knows we try. But all around, even our old friends put us down. Let's drop the big one and see what happens. We give them money, but are they grateful? No, they're spiteful and they're hateful. They don't respect us, so let's surprise them. We'll drop the big one and pulverize them. Asia's crowded and Europe's too old. Africa's far too hot and Canada's too cold. And South America stole our name. Let's drop the big one, there'll be no one left to blame us. We'll save Australia. Don't wanna hurt no kangaroo. Build an all-American amusement park there. They got surfing too. Boom goes London and boom Paris. More room for you and more room for me. In every city, the whole world round will just be another American town. Oh, how peaceful it will be. We set everybody free. You wear a Japanese kimono, babe, and there'll be Italian shoes for me. They all hate us anyhow. So let's drop the big one now. Let's drop the big one now.
Starry, starry night. Out on a summer's day, with eyes that know the darkness in my soul, shadows on the hills, sketch the trees and the daffodils catch the breeze and the winter chills in colors on the snowy linen land. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now. Starry, starry night, flaming flowers that brightly blaze, swirling clouds in violet haze, reflect in Vincent's eyes of china blue, colors changing hue, morning fields of amber grain, weathered faces lined in pain are soothed beneath the artist's loving hand. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now, for they could not love you, but still your love was true. And when no hope was left in sight on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. But I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, portraits hung in empty halls, frameless heads on nameless walls, with eyes that watch the world and can't forget, like the strangers that you've met, the ragged men in ragged clothes, a silver thorn, a bloody rose, lie crushed and broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you tried to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never will.
You've been called one of the masters of modern music. Do you think, that's an impossible question, I know, but do you think, or do you care, in fact, that your songs will become standards, that people say in 50 years, 60 years' time will be singing them?
Well, I feel if a song lasts for 5 years, that it's an accomplishment.
Really?
That's what I try and do. 5 years is what I like.
Why 5 years?
It's a long time.
Many's the time I've been mistaken, and many times confused. Yes, and I've often felt forsaken, and certainly misused. Oh, but I'm all right, I'm all right. I'm just weary to my bones. Still, you don't expect to be bright and bon vivant so far away from home, so far away from home. And I don't know a soul who's not been bad don't have a friend who feels at ease. I don't know a dream that's not been shattered or driven to its knees. Ah, but it's all right, it's all right, for we've lived so well so long. Still, when I think of the road we're traveling on, I wonder what's gone wrong. I can't help but wonder what's gone wrong. And I dreamed I was dying. I dreamed that my soul rose unexpectedly, and looking back down at me, smiled reassuringly. And I dreamed I was flying, and high up above, my eyes could clearly see the Statue of Liberty sailing away to sea. And I dreamed I was flying. Oh, we come on the ship they call the Mayflower. We come on the ship that sailed the moon. We come in the age's most uncertain hours and sing an American tune. Oh, and it's all right. It's all right, it's all right. You can't be forever blessed. Still, tomorrow's gonna be another working day, and I'm trying to get some rest. That's all I'm trying, to get some rest.
This song was written about a time in my life when I was really weird looking. And there were all these girls I was going to school with who were really terrific looking, and they were like cheerleaders and very tall and long blonde hair, and I was very short with curly dark hair. And I was always trying to make it get straight. And then it would always rain after I said it, and I would kind of go like that. So for cheerleaders. I learned the truth at 17, that love was meant for beauty queens and high school girls with clear-skinned smiles who married young and then retired. The Valentines I never knew, the Friday night charades of youth were spent on one more beautiful. At 17 I learned the truth. And those of us with ravaged faces, lacking in the social graces, desperately remained at home, inventing lovers on the phone who called to say, come dance with me, and murmured vague obscenities. It isn't all it seems. At 17, a brown-eyed girl in hand-me-downs, whose name I never could pronounce, said, pity please the ones who serve, they only get what they deserve. And the rich, relation hometown queen married eyes into what she needs with a guarantee of company and haven for the elderly. Remember those who win the game, they lose the love they sought to gain, and adventures of quality and dubious integrity. The small town eyes will gape at you in dull surprise when payment due exceeds accounts received at 17. To those of us who knew the pain of Valentines that never came, and those whose names were never called when choosing sides for basketball, it was long ago and far away, and the world was younger than today. Dreams were all they gave for free to ugly duckling girls like me. We all play the game, and when we dare to cheat ourselves, it's solitaire, inventing lovers on the phone, repenting of the lives unknown. They call and say, come dance with me, and murmur vague obscenities at ugly girls like me at 17.
I am not in love, but I'm open to persuasion. East or west, where's the band for romancing with a friend? I can swear, but with a lover I could hold my head back. I could really laugh, really laugh. Thank you. You took me dancing across the floor, cheek to cheek. But with a lover I could really move, really move. I could really dance, really dance, really dance, really dance. I could really move, really move, really move, really move. Now if I can feel the sun in my eyes, rain on my face, why can't I feel? Really love, really love, really love, really love, really love, 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 love. Now I got all the friends that I've known. I'm in love, oh, but I should just stick to those that I have got. With friends I still feel so insecure. help me along. Just take my hand and lead me where you will. No conversation, no wave goodnight. Just give me love, make love with affection. Sing me another love song, but this time with a little dedication. Sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it. You know that's what I like. Once more with the feeling, give me love, give me love, give me love. Love. Make love with affection. Sing me another love song, but this time with a little dedication. Sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it. You know that's what I like. Ooh. With affection. Ooh. With a little dedication. Ooh.
It's a marvelous night for a moon dance with the stars up over your eyes. A fantabulous night to make romance near the cover of October skies. All the leaves on the trees are falling to the sound of the breezes that blow. And I'm trying to place to the calling of your heartstrings that play soft and low. In all the night's magic seems to whisper and hush. In all the soft moonlight seems to shine in your blush. Can I just have one more moon dance with you, oh my love? Or can I just make some more romance with you, oh my love? One more moon dance with you in the moonlight on a magic night. There's a moonlight on a magic night. Can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love?
Next week on Sounds of the 70s, the Eagles, Hall & Oates,